Have you ever wondered why you never see a lion eating grass or a rabbit hunting a deer? This isn't some strange twist of fate, but rather a glimpse into the intricate web of life we call the food chain. In this wondrous cycle, energy flows from one organism to another, creating a lifeline that allows all species to survive and thrive. Picture it as a multi-tiered pyramid with each level playing a crucial role. At the base of this pyramid, we find the primary producers. These are our plants, the green factories of our world, tirelessly converting sunlight into food through photosynthesis. They are the powerhouses of life, the starting point of this fantastic food chain. Next, we have the primary consumers. These are the herbivores, the plant eaters, creatures like rabbits and deer. They graze on our primary producers, deriving energy and nutrients from them. In consuming the plants, they initiate the next step in this energy transfer process. Moving up the pyramid, we encounter the secondary consumers. These are the carnivores that feed on herbivores. Think of a fox catching a rabbit or a lion hunting a gazelle. These predators take the energy stored in their prey, continuing the cycle and providing a critical link in our food chain. At the pinnacle, we have the apex predators. These are the kings and queens of the animal kingdom, like eagles, sharks, and yes, the mighty lion. They are the tertiary consumers, hunting both herbivores and smaller carnivores. They are the final stop in this energy transfer, the end of the line in our food chain. But it doesn't stop there. When these apex predators pass on, decomposers like fungi and bacteria break them down, returning their nutrients to the soil. This in turn nourishes the plants, and the cycle continues, a never-ending circle of life. Thus, the food chain, in its simplest form, is a series of eating and being eaten. It's a complex and beautiful dance of life, death, and rebirth, each step crucial in maintaining the balance of our ecosystems. Every link in the food chain holds its own unique importance. But why is that so? You see, the food chain is not merely a linear progression from one creature to the next. It's an intricate, interconnected web where each species, each link, plays a crucial role in maintaining the balance of ecosystems. Imagine a lush forest teeming with life. From the smallest insects to the towering trees, each organism plays a part in this grand tapestry of life. The plants harness sunlight to grow, creating food for herbivores, which in turn become meals for carnivores, and so on. This is the magic of the food chain, a delicate balance where each link supports the next. Now, what happens if one link is removed? Let's say a certain species of insect suddenly goes extinct. It may seem insignificant at first glance, but this could set off a domino effect. The birds who feast on these insects may starve, leading to their decline. The fruits and seeds they disperse may go uneaten, affecting the growth of new plants. And without these plants, herbivores may struggle to find food, which can impact carnivores higher up the chain. Conversely, adding a new link can also disrupt the balance. Introducing a non-native species to an ecosystem can lead to overpopulation if there are no natural predators to keep their numbers in check. This could result in the extinction of local species, further destabilizing the food chain. Each species, each link, is a key player in this ecological symphony. It's not just about survival, but about symbiosis, coexistence, and balance. Each creature's existence is intertwined with others in ways we're still discovering, so we must tread lightly and respect the delicate balance of nature. For even the smallest disruption can ripple across the entire ecosystem, affecting every creature in its wake. Remember, every action has a consequence, and in nature, these consequences can be far-reaching and profound. Every species, no matter how big or small, has a role to play in this intricate web of life. Humans, being the dominant species on Earth, have an undeniable impact on the food chain. But how does this impact manifest itself? As we cast our gaze across the globe, the fingerprints of human activity are undeniable. From the most remote corners of our wilderness to the heart of our bustling cities, we have left an indelible mark on the natural world. And as the apex species, our actions echo down the food chain, disrupting the delicate balance between predator and prey, between the hunter and the hunted. Take deforestation, for instance. As we fell forests to make way for agriculture and urban development, we're not just removing trees, we're obliterating entire ecosystems, severing links in the food chain, and driving countless species towards extinction. This loss of biodiversity is akin to pulling threads from a tapestry. The more we pull, the more the picture begins to unravel, and the effects are felt across all levels of the food chain. Overfishing is another human activity that disrupts the food chain. When we deplete fish populations, we're not just reducing our seafood options, we're disturbing the delicate balance of marine ecosystems. Predators that rely on these fish for sustenance must find alternative food sources or face starvation. Likewise, the prey of these fish may see population booms, leading to further imbalances and unforeseen consequences. And then there's climate change, our most pervasive and insidious impact. Rising temperatures and shifting weather patterns don't just make for uncomfortable summers. They can decimate habitats, force species to migrate, disrupt breeding cycles, and even lead to mass die-offs. The ripple effects of climate change on the food chain are vast and complex, threatening to unbalance the intricate web of life that has taken millions of years to evolve. So we see that our actions, whether they be cutting down a forest, overfishing a species, or emitting greenhouse gases, reverberate through the natural world, altering the food chain and the delicate balance of life on Earth. The choices we make today have a profound impact on the future of our planet and its intricate web of life. Understanding the food chain is not merely academic, it's a matter of survival, not just for us, but for the planet as a whole. This intricate web of life, where every link has its own significance, is the backbone of our existence. Each creature, from the smallest insect to the largest mammal, plays a crucial part in maintaining the equilibrium of our ecosystems. Our actions as humans have profound impacts on this chain. We've seen how deforestation, pollution, overhunting, and other unsustainable practices disrupt and destabilize these networks, leading to devastating ripple effects. But we also hold the power to mend what's been broken. By making sustainable choices, by respecting all forms of life, we can help restore balance. We can promote biodiversity, conserve habitats, and ensure that every link in the chain remains strong and intact. We all have a role to play in preserving this delicate balance. It's not just about survival, it's about coexistence.